Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Has you decided the colors?
What?
I said, has you decided the colors?
And I said, what? We can do this all day, you know.
Have you decided what color to bake Kala's birthday cake?
Not yet. So many colors to choose from. Now I know how rainbow makers must feel. Pink, purple, green, chartreuse. Whatty woo! I've got it! I'll just ask Kala, ow, what her favorite, ow, color, is.
Good idea. I'll get the oven warmed up while you go and do that.
I thought there were 4 containers. That's better. Yeah! Boom! Boom! Hi, Kala. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color?
Yeah.
Well, I used to like yellow, but then came my blue period.
Yikes!
When I only listened to sad songs. But I'm a cheery kitty, not a dreary kitty.
I didn't realize colors could be so dangerous.
Next came my green period, where I planted 1,000,000... Correction, make that 1,013 trees.
So which is it now? Yellow, blue, or green? I love all those colors.
None of them.
Ta-da!
Those colors are so like last Tuesday.
Oh yeah, totally. Maybe even last Monday.
My new favorite color is... Maroon!
Balloon? Is that even a color?
Maroon.
Maroon. Loon, croon, June, over the moon, maroon. I think I like it. I even like saying it. Maroon, maroon, maroon. Ooh, maroon, maroon, maroon. Ooh, maroon, maroon, maroon. Ooh, maroon. Would Dr. Doom like a lagoon with a raccoon in the back room? Y'all come back real soon with a maroon spoon, and we'll sing a new tune. Boom! Wait! I just got a great idea! A fabulous idea. An idea so super fantabulistic it ought to be framed and put in a museum!
What's that, Gummy?
I forget. Maroon, 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 ba. Maroon, 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 ba. Maroon, 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 ba.
Okay, so what's the big surprise, guys?
Surprise!
Waka waka wee!
Maroon balloons! Maroon decorations!
Even a leaning tower of maroon birthday cake!
Woo! Wow! Ooh! Guys, this is so double awesome! I mean, I'm totally over the moon with all this maroon!
You haven't seen anything yet, Kala. Whoa! Your whole birthday is going to be filled with maroon! You're gonna eat, sleep, walk, talk, dance, prance, think, drink!
Enough, Gummy. She gets the picture.
And in short, be maroon!
Happy Maroon birthday, Kala!
Yellow, purple, pink, or mauve. These are colors that I love. Silver, golden, red, and blue. None of them will do. Maroon-ba. He wants maroon, maroon, maroon-ba. Maroon, maroon, maroon-ba. Gotta be maroon, maroon-ba. Maroon is what she wants. Rainbow, neon, or pastel. She don't want them, I can tell. She doesn't even like it seems. My favorite color green. Only maroon, maroon, maroon-ba. Maroon, maroon, maroon-ba. The girl she loves maroon, yeah. Maroon is what she wants. Maroon-ba.
Coming up next is special birthday meal. Honky honk.
For the special birthday girl.
Cute. happened to my flowers?
Oh, we threw them out.
So we could replant new maroon ones.
You what?
No effort is too great for our maroon-loving pal.
I've got to go home and change into my party clothes.
No problem, Kala. See you later for the big party.
So, was she surprised?
She sure was.
Surprise!
Definitely surprised this time, too.
I have to agree. Gummy, I'm thinking maybe we might have gotten this whole maroon thing a little bit wrong.
You mean not enough maroon?
I wouldn't quite put it that way.
I'm sick of maroon! No more maroon food, no more maroon clothes, and no more maroon shampoo! I hate maroon! I don't want to hear or see any more maroon spoon Loon and June for the rest of my life!
Hey, no problemo. Now that I think of it, chartreuse is a way cooler color. Chartreuse, 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 chartreuse bananas, chartreuse shampoo. Woohoo! Ha ha ha! But since variety's so much fun, there's no need to actually dye everything this time. We'll just use colored light. That way, we'll get to enjoy all colors, each one just as long as we want to.
So we rigged up the light system to make other colors too.
Now you'll have the choice every day of deciding which one, if any, you feel like. Yay!
Guys, this is the best birthday ever!
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes.
One last balloon to blow up.
And we've just finished hanging streamers and wrapping the presents.
I had no idea blowing balloons could be so uplifting.
Ugh. I'll bet Granny Peters is gonna be really surprised when she drops by tomorrow morning.
Well, that's the point of a surprise party, right?
I don't know about you guys, but all this decorating has totally worn me out. I'm ready for bed.
Me too.
Me 3. I'm gonna be out like a light the second my head hits the pillow. Not good.
Okay, minor setback in the drifting blissfully off to sleep department.
But I'm sure that with a huge brain and a little good old-fashioned ingenuity,
This kitty can block out whatever silly noise is keeping me awake.
I don't hear any snoring. I don't hear any snoring. Would you please shut up with all that I don't hear any snoring stuff so I can get some sleep, which I can't do because of that irritating,
infuriating,
Exasperating! Snoring!
Granny Peters.
Hey! Keep it down with the knocking, you clown! It's the middle of the night!
Okay, if any of us wants to get a wink of sleep to be fresh for the big surprise party tomorrow, we've got to somehow stop that snoring. And fortunately, I've got a brilliant plan to do just that.
Great! Let's go for it!
Here's what we'll do. First, we get a ladder and lean it up against her open second floor window. Then Gummy will climb up, and with his dodo bird feather I've attached to the end of a stick, he'll lightly tickle her feet and awaken gently sleeping
And snoring like a buzzsaw.
Granny Peters, easing her back to smiling consciousness, and presto! solving our problem. It couldn't be simpler. I mean, seriously, guys. With such a brilliant plan, what could possibly go wrong?
Great! Let's go for it!
Do you hear the loud noise? Are we under attack? Is it a monster or the sound of a truck? It could be a lumberjack cutting down trees, or it could be a swarm of mad killer bees. Is it outside or is it next door? It sounded to me like a lion's roar. Is it thunder I hear rumbling from afar? Or is it the exhaust of a motor car? It's raining, it's pouring. Granny Peters is a snoring. She snored so loud it gave us a fright. She's been snoring hard all night. It's raining, it's pouring. Granny Peters is a snoring. She snored so loud it gave us a fright. She's been snoring hard all night.
Between you and me, I kind of like the plan better the way you first told it.
Now that you mention it. So did I. Oh.
Wait! Can't you hear it?
Hear what? I don't hear anything.
Exactly! Isn't it incredible?
I hate to say it, but you're not making a whole lot of sense, Carla.
Think, guys. You don't hear anything!
OMG! There's no more snoring!
Okay, the ladder's broken, but if only there was some way to get back up to that window to wake Granny Peters. What we need is a brilliant idea!
Well, lucky for us, I just happen to have one!
Let me go on record as saying that this breaks every known law of physics.
Then I guess there are still a few unknown ones out there, right? Nothing like an alarm clock to wake up even the deepest sleeper. Luck to wind up with the only bird in the world scared of heights.
Get me down!
After you do your cuckoo routine and wake up Granny Peters.
Cuckoo! There! Satisfied?
This isn't good. And something tells me it's getting worse.
Now that definitely defies yet another known law of physics.
Yeah, great, isn't it? Woohoo!
Gummy, are you okay?
Yes, Gummy, are you?
Well, apart from feeling a little, deflated, I'm great. And it's double great to see you finally awake, Granny Peters. Come on! Since it's practically morning now, there's something Harry, Collar, and I want to show you.
Ooh, I've had a bit of a cold. I hope I wasn't snoring.
What? Snoring? You? No, not at all. Okay, you can open your eyes now, Granny Peters. Surprise!
Oh, thanks so much, kids. I really can't tell you how much this all means to... I hope they don't snore.
Boozy, thanks for waking me up from my nap in time. In time? Oh, the store! Open up! You've got to let me in! It's Harry's birthday tonight. Can you bend understand the rules just an itsy bitsy teeny weeny bit and... I guess not. Huh? What's this? I wonder if, given the squeeze I'm in, this just might possibly work as a last-minute present for Harry. I mean, if I polish it up and everything. Nah. Either way, a little music while searching might be inspiring.
Yowza! I am free! Yes, Master. Master? Oh, I really can't stand these false alarms when I am taking a nap.
Well, it's certainly nothing special, but I guess it'll have to do.
Wow! Thanks so much, Gummy.
Don't get your hopes up too high, buddy. It's sort of a last-minute present since I messed up the planning and then overslept and...
What exactly is it? I mean, what does it do?
For one thing, it sure is shiny. And I'm gonna make it even shinier.
Yowza! At your service, Master. You've got 3 wishes.
Huh? It doesn't do anything, except for that, of course.
Holy Zamboni! There's a genie in that lamp!
You don't already have one, do you?
Why, no! Of course not!
Genies don't exist. You're not a genie.
I am too. And since it seems to be your lamp, I grant you 3 wishes, birthday boy. Master.
Actually, each one of us gets 1 wish.
Wow. Thanks, Harry.
Yeah, and now I double hope he really is a genie.
I am a genie. Look, Kitty, I'll give you 1 free sample wish, just a small one to prove it. Deal?
Okay, deal. I wish we could all fly.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Whoa! I just remembered I'm afraid of heights! Cancel the flying wish!
You obviously haven't read the manual. Changing a wish is the same as making another wish.
But it's my birthday and I'm terrified of flying!
Okay. But only because it's your birthday. And from here on in, no more exceptions. Got it?
Got it!
Thanks so much, Harry.
So, according to the Imperial Book of Genie's rules, you've got 3 wishes.
Where does he keep those things?
You first, Carla.
Well, I wish for an indoor swimming pool.
Next wish.
This wish-making stuff is more complicated than it sounds.
Okay, you're next, Harry.
I wish we were all the world's best dancers.
Actually, not that kind of best dancers. Could we please try maybe a few other kinds?
There's a genie in a bottle, I thought it was a trash. I rubbed it and I polished, he came out in a flash. He's looking for a master to make wishes come true. The bottle may be magical, now what will I do?
Poof! Shazam! I'm your man! Alibaba, open sesame! That's why I came! Are you serious, man?
I want a plane, I want a boat, I want a bike and a car, a big piano and a harp and an electric guitar. I want a horse and a cow and a puppy to play. 3 wishes for beginners. Genie, what do you say?
Poof! Shazam! I'm your man! Alibaba, open sesame! That's why I came! Are you serious, man?
Whoa! What whoa?
I just realized that isn't who we really are. And it's much more fun being, well, our normal selves. Hey, even if you're not always the best, at least you're really you, right?
Okay, just to get this whole thing over with, and since it's your birthday, this is my extra gift to you. Wish dancer. You're a lousy dancer again.
Wow, thanks!
Okay, one wish left, Master Gummy.
Wow. 2 wishes with slightly less than nothing to show for them.
So you better use our very last wish super carefully.
No kidding.
But what's the perfect wish? Wait! What? A brilliant idea! You guys want to hear it? I think
Yeah!
Are you ready? This might wind up being a bit of a surprise.
Trust me, Green Master. In 3,000 years, give or take 15 minutes, of hearing wishes, there isn't a single one that hasn't already been said to this tired-out old genie.
I want you to be free from that lamp.
What?
You heard us.
We're using our last wish.
To set you free.
There isn't a single wish that hasn't been said. Except that one. Yowza! At last I'm free! Thank you, Master. I can't think of a better reason to celebrate. Let's party, birthday!
You know, Gummy, that was probably the best birthday present anybody could ever get. Knowing we've helped somebody out and sharing a fun adventure with my best pals in the whole world.
Happy birthday, Hattie!
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny